Alright guys, welcome to the show. We're going to be showing you how to clean my dog, Mater, and we're going to be showing you what soap to use. See you in a bit. Okay guys, we're going to be showing you how to get a dog a bath. Today, I've got my dog Mater with us today. He's going to get a bath. So we're going to be showing you which soap to use. Now, you want to use Dawn soap. The other random ass shit don't work because it's not capable of using. It's pretty freaking messed up. So we're going to be showing you, we're going to be showing you how to clean. So, if you got anything in the way, move it out of the way. Like toilet paper, soap, anything. Close the toilet down. So I'll show you guys how to get a call off dog. Now, if you got a collar on your dog, hold on. Sit down. Sit down, bye-bye. You can choke her. Got it. Now, you can see me, guys. Give me a minute, guys. I have to figure this out. Okay, guys, if you have a collar on a dog, you want to take it off. So I'm going to be showing you how to do it now. I'm showing you now. If you got a poison kind of collar, just take it off. That's all you got to do. These, okay, alright, stay right there. These are the poison collars. So you want to watch out for those. So here we go. We're going to start it off. Now, if your bathtub's dirty, you want to clean it. Like this. And go away if you want, Mary, because I'm going to clean this before I get you in there. So if you got any ashes in it, anything like that, you want to clean it just to know that the dog has nothing on it. If you don't clean it, you will have some major problems. Any webs in the way, you spray them. That's what I usually do nowadays. Clear it. Alright! Sorry, guys. Sorry for yelling. I'll try to get in here. You stay in here, dog. Now, give us a second, guys. We'll be back with you shortly. Alright, guys, we'll be showing you how to get them back. Here we go. You turn around. Turn it around. Alright, well, turn the water on. Not too high. The dog will frustrate. So here we go. You want to get him up water because he'll act up. Some dogs will, some dogs won't. And you have to get him down where you want him. And you just watch what you're doing. You don't quit backing up, boy. Yeah, get up here. Get up here. Get up. Up here. Now. Come here. Sorry, guys. We're having trouble with the dog. And we'll be back shortly. You know that sound, guys. And this dog is bleeding bad. Here we go. He don't like this, but I'm going to give it to him. We're going to put it all over him. Step his head. And wipe him down to nitty gritty. Don't worry about the flea or the egg. Just do what you got to do. Okay. And they're all starting. Ow, damn, no. They're all starting to come off, guys. They're falling out a lot on you, I think. They're really wanting to drop. So Alright. Here we go. Damn boys coming off. Oh, dang. Ooh, that dog, my dog is bleeding people, so don't look at it. He really is. Pretty much. All the blood that's on his back is going down the drain. He'll be better in no time, here in a little bit. All the blood's going off. And every flea is dropping as it's going. If your dog likes being scratched, then scratching. Don't want to get the stuff in his eyes and whatsoever. You rub his head like this so they don't get in his eyes. If he keeps moving, you're going to end up having trouble. And you don't want to watch when he floats. Well, I'll be too for one. So yeah, basically. Okay. Okay. It's all that matter. We've got fleas all over the bathtub, and they're just simply dropping as it's going, and they're all over the pipe. Pipe of shit. And they're all the tail and everything. Hey, wait a minute there. Alright. Wet, or look at the fleas. Boy. Alright. Some fleas, a lot of fleas will fall if you use Dawn. They're all falling right now. Rick backing up. Over here. Stop it. You're quit the shit. Guys, don't worry about the sound. That's under control. Alright, when you rub them, some fleas will fall, some fleas won't. You might want to get them all in the hole. Get them off your hands. And square them off. Oh, yeah, right. Go what? Go what? Or die as usual. They will fall eventually. Off of them. No matter, get on stop, quick, Alright. Come here. Stop! I tried to get you that quick, you with that. Okay. Now, it will eventually work, guys. You gotta give yourself some time. It will work eventually. All you have to do is scrub the dog all over your nails, your hands. If you don't got nails, use your hands. That's all you gotta do. If you're gonna fall, then that's your fault. So yeah. You don't want to fall and get yourself wet over a fucking dog. It's funny, man. See guys cleaning a dog and they get fall right in there, go bleh. You're like, whoa! So that's just how you're supposed to do dogs. Now, your flea's already jumping out of the bathtub. And the dog's got it in. If you don't want to scratch, that's fine, because some will fall later. Now make sure, another way. If you got one of these that's clean, you do on your dog, like this. Like this, and it'll start falling as it goes. They're already falling on him, off of them, as usual. You on your head. You know what? You really don't want to hit the dog in the eye, because he will yell. Just saying, guys. Hold on. Quit. Your back is itchy. You please hang on up there. You already did. He's just about clean, people. You want to get him clean, so you know you want to get things right. You want to, if you got one of these, scrub them under the nuts. You have to. This thing, because it will make him itch. Over time with it. Now, return to the cameras on, and hold up. You stay right there. Yeah, it's still on. Hey guys, this Snyder, look all of the fleas that fell off of him. This Dawn works. Look at my hand. Fleas, people. And they're already jumping. We already got one moving. Look at this, guys. Thank you. Look at his back. Hardly nothing on his back. As you can see. Hardly nothing. And it works. I know it's alright, Bubba. It's okay, Bubba. He likes that, people. Woo! He loves that. So, yeah. Look at all the fleas that's fallen. There's a few here, and here. One moving there. I'm going to get him. Get down there. Oh, boy. Guys, it does work, just like you know. You take time. So, yeah, look at all the fleas. And on his foot. Got enough of him. They're dying and jumping off. And yeah, when you hit me, you don't like that, people. Still there. I'm back now. Dodge, people. I dodged when he done that to the phone. Tried it, anyway. So, we're going to get him out, and we're going to clean him. Alright, guys, give me a minute. So I figure out where to put this at. Okay, I got an idea. Right here. Now, we've got the dog out. He's right here. If you don't have a towel with you and you didn't get it earlier before this, you can use your shirt if you have to. Clean him off. Come on, do it. Clean him off. Just like natural. And just shake him off. His fleet is falling. And it's right here. Just want to get him off. He'll shake right after you do. See? He's already shaking. Okay. Okay. You can go, guys. You can go, boy. Go. Oh. We've got some fleas on the soap bar. 5 of them. Sitting there. So, guys, if you like this video, okay, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Come on, man, let's go in there. If you got a collar, put it back on him. Here. Back on your dog. Ready, just like that. Nice and neat. You're ready to go, and he's ready to go. Come on, Mater. That's my dog's name. So, see, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. Dawn really works. Go buy it. It really works. I just now use it. It works. So, if y'all enjoyed the video, subscribe me and like down below and comment down below. If you have anything to say about this video, and if it done you some good with your dog, and Dawn done something with your dog good, comment down below on this video. I want to see how many people can comment this quick, just like that. Like that. And this dog is pretty clean. He has been digging, and he's digging them off. Like natural. He will do that for a while. But if you have fleas on your floor, he will start doing that all night tonight. So, yeah. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe and comment down below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. See ya.